Imagine a game where every playthrough is a totally new adventure, a living world that writes itself as you play. That's not some sci-fi fantasy dream anymore, it's what generative AI is slowly but surely bringing to the gaming table. Now, you've probably heard of AI in games before, right? Think NPCs with basic dialogue trees, enemies following predictable patterns, or even those surprisingly aggressive Goombas in Mario. But generative AI is like that old tech on a super soldier serum. It's not just picking from pre-written options anymore. Instead, it's creating new content on the fly. We're talking everything from fresh quest lines to entire landscapes, sometimes even character voices, all thanks to some seriously complex algorithms and massive data sets it's been furiously gobbling up. It's a massive leap. Most of the AI we're used to in games is reactive. It reacts to your input. Generative AI is proactive. It generates the input for you to react to. Get it? It's a subtle but mind-blowing difference when you think about the possibilities. Think about it. Procedural generation has been around for ages, right? Minecraft built entire worlds that way. No Man's Sky generates planets until the cows come home. But generative AI takes that up a notch. While procedural generation often uses a set of rules to assemble existing pieces, like putting together a Lego kit with instructions, generative AI can design new pieces. It's like the difference between a Lego instruction manual and an AI that can invent new Lego bricks and then build a castle you've never seen before. It's not just arranging existing ingredients, it's inventing new ones and baking a whole new cake. This isn't just theory either. We're already seeing glimpses of this sci-fi future. Projects like the AI Dungeon Master in AI Dungeon create branching narratives on the fly based purely on your text input. You type what you do, and the AI keeps the story going in utterly wild, sometimes hilarious, sometimes terrifying, directions. It's like having a hyper-creative, slightly unhinged author as your game master. Or imagine an NPC in, say, Skyrim. Not one that just repeats the same 5 lines about an arrow to the knee, but one that actually converses with you, referencing past events. Maybe they bring up that time you accidentally stole a sweet roll in front of them, generate new rumors based on what you've been doing in the region, and even adapt their personality and demeanor based on your interactions. That's the real potential. It turns a static character into a dynamic, living entity within the game world. Suddenly, every conversation could lead somewhere completely unexpected. And it's not just about dialogue or narrative. Oh no, it goes much, much deeper. Imagine a racing game where the track is different every single time you load it up. Not just a reshuffle of existing pieces, but a truly unique layout, perfectly balanced for difficulty, adapted to your skill level, but utterly fresh. Or an RPG where the monster designs are dynamically generated, so you never fight the same looking goblin twice. Seriously, no more palette-swapped enemies. Every encounter could feel genuinely new because the AI is creating these creatures on the fly. Companies like Ubisoft have even talked about using generative AI to help artists create more diverse environmental assets faster. Think about it. Instead of manually modeling every single tree, rock, or building variant, AI could churn out thousands of unique assets that fit a designer's aesthetic, freeing up human creativity for the truly bespoke, hero elements. This means richer, more detailed worlds, built faster, with less repetitive work for the humans involved. It's about being an assistant, a creative collaborator, not a replacement. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It's new tech, and like any powerful new tool, there are massive challenges. How do you control for quality when an AI is creating content? What if it generates something buggy, nonsensical, or even, problematic? We've all seen AI image generators mess up a hand or create something truly bizarre. Now imagine that in your immersive RPG. Developers are grappling with these questions, trying to figure out how to guide and constrain these powerful tools to ensure they enhance the experience without making it weird or broken. There's a huge focus on guardrails, rules and filters to keep the AI within acceptable bounds. It's a fine line between boundless creativity and utter chaos. Then there's the ethical side. Who owns the content generated by an AI? What about biases in the data it was trained on that might unintentionally creep into the game world? These are big, philosophical questions that the gaming industry, and society as a whole, is only just beginning to unpack. But despite the challenges, the potential is absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about games that truly adapt to you, that offer endless replayability, and that could even push the boundaries of storytelling in ways we can barely comprehend right now. Generative AI could be the key to unlocking game worlds that never stop surprising us. So, what do you think? Are you ready for games where every adventure is truly unique? Do you think generative AI will revolutionize gaming? Or are you a little wary of robots designing your dragon encounters? Let me know in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious about your thoughts on this one. And if you found this dive into generative AI in gaming interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the weird and wonderful world of tech and entertainment. We've got more cool stuff coming, so you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.